Cisco and Travelers officially joined the Dow Jones Industrial Average today. Those stocks replaced GM and Citigroup. John Ehrlichman has a little bit more on how the moves could influence trade. John.
And here's what we know. The Dow's a price-weighted average, and every time there's a change, whether a new member or a dividend or a stock split, you see a change in the so-called Dow divisor. And in this case, it is going up a little bit, which means that you're going to see less in terms of the point move per dollar move overall. But the Dow, folks, keeping this very close to where we were overall. The bigger question, obviously, is the types of price moves we might expect from these new members that are joining the Dow. Let's start with Travelers, because if you look at a 12-month chart, for example, of Travelers, this is a name, and by the way, both these stocks lower in the pre-market, this is a name that does not or has not moved as dramatically as some other names in the financial space. Dow, to a certain extent, looking for that type of stability. And then Cisco, the other one, obviously there were a number of names mentioned as a possible replacement. As far as the price goes, $20, if you consider the fact that Google trades at north of $440, the big question, had they added Google, would have been how much influence that name would have. For now, it looks like IBM will still have more influence overall because that's a stock that trades at $100. And by the way, Eric, the highest target price on Cisco right now is around $24. That is below, in percentage terms, the highest levels in terms of bullishness that we're seeing for names like Apple, which we discussed earlier.